Welcome students in this classroom. In last lecture we have discussed some basic information of quadratic equation like what is meant by quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation, values of a, b and c and roots of quadratic equation. Now today we are going to learn how to find solutions of quadratic equation by various methods. There are three methods to find solutions of quadratic equation. First one is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one formula method. First we will take first method, which is factorization method. Now we will discuss first method, which is factorization method. Take one example, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Find the solutions of this given quadratic equation. Now value of c is 54 plus 54 and value of b is minus 15. Now take any two numbers whose product is positive 54 and whose addition is negative 15. Then any two numbers whose product is 54. 9, 6 means minus 9 minus 6. Why? Because minus 9 into minus 6 plus 54. Minus 9 plus minus 6 minus 15 means split the middle term, which is minus 15. Instead of minus 15 we will write x square as it is minus 15. Instead of minus 15 minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 as it is equal to 0. Now take two parts. In first part, x square minus 9x. Here x is common. X square divided by x means x, minus 9x divided by x means 9. Minus 6 common here. 6x divided by 6 means x. Minus minus plus, therefore minus 54 divided by 6 means again 9 equal to 0. Here x minus 9 2 times. Therefore we will take common x minus 9 and remaining x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now if product of any two numbers is 0, then one of them is 0. Suppose x minus 9 means p, x minus 6 means q. P into q equal to 0 means p equal to 0 or q equal to 0 or both are them is 0. Now like this, x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 9 equal to 0 minus 9 means plus 9, x equal to plus 9 or x equal to 6. Therefore 9 and 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now we will verify 9 is the solution of this equation. Look here, x square means 9 square minus 15 into x means 9 plus 54. 9 square 81, 15 into 9 135 plus 54. 81 plus 54 means 135 minus 135 0 left hand side is 0, our right hand side is also 0, means x square minus 15x plus 54. Its solution is 9. First solution. Similarly we can prove 6 is also root of this quadratic equation. Okay. Now we will take another example. In this case 2y square plus 27y plus 13 equal to 0. Now in last example, here coefficient of x square is 1, but in this example coefficient of y square is 2. Therefore 2 is multiplied by 13, means we will get 26. 2, 13, 26. Now tell me any two numbers whose product is 26 and their sum is 27. 26 ones are 26, means 26 into 1 26, 26 plus 1 27. Now split this term, middle term, 2y square as it is plus 26y plus 1y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now take two parts. In first part 2y is a common, y plus 13. In second part plus 1 is common, y plus 13 equal to 0. Now here y plus 13 two times, therefore y plus 13 take as a common, y plus 13. What is remaining? 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now once again, if the product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them is 0, means y plus 13 equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Y plus 13 means y equal to minus 13 or 2y equal to minus 1 means y equal to minus 1 by 2, means therefore minus 13 and minus 1 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay? Some quadratic equations we can't solve by factorization method. Therefore, we will learn second method, which is completing square method. Now first example, x square plus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. In this example, minus 5 value of c and value of b is 2. Now know any two numbers whose product is minus 5 and their sum is 2, means we cannot find solutions of this equation by factorization method. Therefore, first step, x square plus 2x equal to 5. Now, LHS x square plus 2x is not complete square of any term. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus k, it should be added. Means this one is a complete square. Suppose this one is a complete square of x plus a whole square. Means what is expansion of x plus a square? X square plus 2ax plus a square. Now compare this with this. x square plus 2x plus k equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. X square both sides, middle term 2x, here 2ax, means 2 equal to 2a, therefore a equal to 2 by 2 means 1, and k equal to a square. A means what? 1 square 1, means value of k is 1. Now we should add x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. Now x square plus 2x plus 1 is a complete square of x plus 1 square equal to 5 plus 1 means 6. X plus 1 square, their expansion is x square plus 2x plus 1. Therefore, we can write like this. Now, taking square root of both sides, taking square root, x plus 1 equal to plus or minus under root 6. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 6, means minus 1 plus under root 6 and minus 1 minus under root 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now, we will take another example of completing square method. X square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. Now our first step, x square plus x equal to 20. 0 plus 20, 20. Now x square plus x plus k equal to x plus a whole square. Expansion of this x square plus 2ax plus a square, comparison with x square plus x plus k. Now here x and 2ax means coefficient of x is 1, therefore 1 equal to 2a, therefore a equal to 1 by 2 and k equal to a square. A means what? 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. Therefore, 1 by 4, it should be added on both sides. X square plus x plus 1 by 4 equal to 20 plus 1 by 4. X square plus x plus 1 by 4 equal to 20 plus 1 by 4. 20 plus 1 by 4, taking cross multiplication here, 20 into 4, 80 plus 1 into 1, 1 divided by 4, 80 plus 1, 81 upon 4. Now here x square plus x plus 1 by 4 is a complete square of x plus 1 by 2 whole square equal to 81 by 4. Taking square root of both sides, x plus 1 by 2 equal to plus or minus 9 by 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus 9 by 2. X equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2 or minus 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2 means 9 minus 1 8 upon 2 means 4, or minus 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2 minus 10 by 2 means minus 5. 4 or minus 5 means 4 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. This is our completing square method. Now we will learn third method, which is formula method. Formula is this: x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now our quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. There are two roots. First, suppose alpha equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, beta equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we will take one example based on this formula. First example, x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Now compare this equation with general form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Value of a is 1, value of b is 6 and value of c equal to 5. Now our formula is like this. Therefore first find value of b square minus 4ac. b means 6 square minus 4, a means 1 into c means 5. 6 square 36 minus 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 36 minus 20, 16. Value of b square minus 4ac, we obtain 16. Now write formula, which is this: x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value. Minus b means 6 plus or minus under root value of b square minus 4ac, we will obtain 16. Now write 16 here upon 2a. 2a means 2 into 1. Minus 6 plus or minus under root 16 means square root of 16. This is 4 divided by 2 means minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Minus 6 plus 4 means minus 2 upon 2 equal to minus 1, or minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 upon 2 means minus 5. Therefore minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of this given quadratic equation. Now we will take next example. X square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Compare with this equation our general formula, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now find the values a 1, b minus 3 and c equal to minus 2. Similarly, first find b square minus 4ac, value of b square minus 4ac. b means minus 3 bracket square, minus 4 into a means 1, into c means minus 2. Therefore minus 3 square means plus 9, minus into this minus plus 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 plus 8 17. This is the value of b square minus 4ac, 70. Now we will write formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value in this formula. Minus b, value of b is minus 3, therefore minus in bracket minus plus or minus under root 17, value of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, 2 into a, value of a is 1, means minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus under root 17, divided by 2. Therefore, 3 plus under root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus under root 17 divided by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Solve any one quadratic equation by 3 methods and verify you will get same roots. Now we will discuss another part next lecture. Okay, thank you.